North American housing market faces crossroads. Rate cuts often pressure, but affordability struggles remain widespread. Despite lower borrowing costs, U.S. home prices surged 50% since 2020, far outpacing income growth. Home builders and lenders gain momentum as slightly cheaper loans breathe life into construction and refinancing. The golden handcuff effect keeps many owners locked into ultra low pre-pandemic rates, limiting housing supply. Further gradual rate cuts expected in 2026, but lasting housing solutions demand more than monetary policy.